Ever noticed how the quiet of night can turn into a symphony of snores? Well, it's not just a random occurrence. When you slip into dreamland, those throat muscles take a chill pill and relax, causing your airway to narrow. As you breathe in and out, the air struggles to navigate this tight passage, leading to vibrations in the relaxed tissues. Cue the snoring orchestra. Now, a little snoring is usually harmless, but when it starts to resemble a freight train, it might be a sign that your body needs more oxygen. So, next time you're serenaded by the sound of snores, remember, it could be your body's way of asking for a little more breathing room.